Hello, this is Cole Kreskis, and welcome to the demo of the BeforeYourAdvisor tool. So to start, the goal of this tool is to allow users to upload their credit card statements and leverage AI to classify those transactions as potentially deductible for 1099 or small business income, and helps a freelancer or small business prepare for their meeting with their CPA. So you connect a Google Drive folder with statements, you pick a business profile, and then run through your analysis, classifications, and you can download the output. In addition, there's a little chat with your data agent. So we start with completing a login. It's a test account, so if you get denied at this stage, I can add your email, but Google takes 7 to 10 days to publish an app. So now I've signed in and given Drive access to, given my application access to Drive, and I'll start to, I have my folder with my statements in already. Some are in PDF format and some are in CSV, so I can copy the whole folder link and start a data cleaning job. So what happens is the front end calls the ingestion start API, and the back end then processes jobs in an in-memory queue for the worker to extract the data and then run the credit card parsing adapters for different PDF scanning and then also CSV based on the providers. And then what I am able to see a snippet of transactions, at least 3 per institution with a total of 10. And yeah, I can either start by downloading, but then I kind of want to change my business profile here. And this is a set of preset options, so the LLM is able to know what deductions might be possible. So a management consultant might have a very different set of expenses than a software developer or some like a rideshare or delivery driver. So I'll pick software. I'm going to go with a moderate aggressiveness level. So I'll save my business profile and add and instruct the LM to look for client dinners and utilities. And then when I click analysis, the front end will take me to a checkout page with Stripe using this sandbox account. You can insert a Stripe's test credit card, which is just 4242, and a future expiration date. So I can go through with a fake payment, and then I am reached the completed checkout stage where the backend is now queuing analysis jobs, and for batches of 10 transactions, call the Gemini 2.5 flashlight model with extended retries on a extended back-off strategy and handling retriable errors. So rate limits or at the very infrequent case of structured outputs failing, those are also retried. And the LLM will view a transaction. Let's see. Yeah, so I had to buy these are Trader Joe's, and then I can see a deductible and LLM reasoning. And then eventually when it's complete, it'll go all the way to the end where we'll see some category totals. So you can see all the different categories generated by the LLM and different transaction counts per category. I can also chat with the agent here. So I can say, what was my fourth most and then there's there's an agent that will query the Postgres database with guarded SQL, so we can't run create or delete table statements here, and then another summarizing agent, and we can keep some chat history as well. Uber 700, and then let's see, we can keep going through. How about CVS? We'll try Google. How about Google? Okay, not too bad. Yeah, so then I can either start a new chat or hide a chat. And yeah, the architecture is fairly simple with a React monorepo with a React front end, Express backend, and using Postgres as the database in memory queue. And this is, and then caddy for redirects on my domain. And this is all fairly like a MVP solution, but leaves a lot of room for scaling. In addition, which was kind of cool, I was able to optimize the LLM classification prompt with the algorithm called genetic Pareto, and it's you can provide some training and validation data, and you get a generated prompt, and there's a follow-up video for that. All right, yeah, if I log out or I want to log back in, it will keep my transactions so I don't have to re-import them, and then I can select a new business profile and rerun the analysis job if I'd like. And I use kind of just Toast notification system. And yeah, I can also download the CSV when I'm done. All right. Thank you.